Hi, this is Matt from Balance 7. In this video, I'm going to show you the pH levels of several very popular waters and other drinks, as well as Balance 7. You'll see that they'll change colors according to a particular scale, which will indicate the level of their pH, or their acidity versus alkalinity. Let's take a look. Everything is either acidic, alkaline, or neutral on the pH scale, and liquids are no different. Acids and bases are alkaline, tend to neutralize each other. The stronger the acid is, the stronger the base needs to be in order to neutralize that acid, and vice versa. I will demonstrate not only the pH of these various liquids, but also that Balance 7 destroys acidity. We're blurring out the brands of these other drinks because we're not trying to disparage other products, rather just to demonstrate acidity and alkalinity and the roles they play in your health. This is a special solution called a pH reagent. When you put a few drops into a clear liquid, that liquid will change colors based on its pH level. It ranges from orange all the way up to purple, orange being acidic, purple being alkaline, and right in the middle is green, which is neutral. Let's start with this water. Now watch as I put the pH reagent in. Notice that it has turned a bluish-green color. This indicates that it is neutral, trending towards alkaline. Now let's try this water. Notice that this one has turned slightly green. This indicates something closer to neutral. Now let's try this one. This is a very popular brand of water. Lots of people drink this. This one has also turned a slightly green color, indicating that it also is neutral. This one perhaps is just slightly below neutral. Now we're going to try this soda. Many people know that soda is extremely acidic. Now you're about to see for yourself. Notice it's turned a yellow, actually more like orange color, indicating that the pH is somewhere below 4, which is extremely acidic. Now we're going to try Balance 7. Notice the intense purple color. According to our chart, this indicates that the pH is above 10, but from our own testing we know that it's 11.2. The only one of these that's really acidic is the soda, and I want to show you something. Let's see what happens when you pour Balance 7 into the very acidic soda. It turned blue. This indicates that the pH of the liquid in that cup has changed. Let's pour some more Balance 7 in there. It's become a much deeper blue. If I kept pouring more in and putting more pH reagent in there, it would eventually turn purple. Notice that this small amount of Balance 7 completely wiped away all of the acidity. The high alkalinity of Balance 7 neutralized the acid. When you introduce acidity into your body, it has to spend energy and resources to neutralize it. The more acidic the food or drink, the more energy and resources it has to dedicate to it, and the less it has for fighting off diseases. repairing tissue damage, allowing you to have energy. This is the exact reason why many people feel a little energy boost when they start taking Balance 7. Imagine if you reduced your intake of acidity and started taking Balance 7. With all that acidity out of the way, what do you think your body might then have the energy and resources to do for you? Once again, this is Matt from Balance 7, wishing you a healthy life.